not going to spend 8 minutes waffling on showing you how to make nachos just so I can get some mid-roll ads in. I hate those things. But anyway, let's get on with it. In this dish I've got 100 grams of black beans which are cooked straight from the can, and I'm going to sprinkle on 100 grams of grated cheese. I'm using cheddar, but you could use, well, any hardish cheese really, whatever you want. Sprinkle on a few big pinches of powdered cumin, and then pop in the oven at 175 fan for about 10 minutes or so. While it's still hot, spoon on about 3 or 4 tablespoons of sour cream, some sliced pickled jalapenos, some fresh coriander, and some shredded lettuce. And to finish, we'll just arrange some tortilla chips around the mixture there and serve. There you go. So simple. Doesn't need 8 minutes. I love nachos. It's Mexican night in our house. Woo! See you later. Bye. Who